So as you can see, the sub menu over here is okay, it's styled up properly, but there is one thing wrong. As you can see, they are wrapped up upon each other. I mean, all these lines are wrapped up upon each other, and it don't look nice. Of course, to fix it, there is a tiny solution that would just make everything better. So let's get in and put a little bit of code that would help it. Welcome to my channel Website Crafter, where I teach how to make websites like a pro.
Through life, every day is a new beginning. Shine your light. It's a day and the world is waiting.
So here we are. Now, if we go to our nav, which is actually a pop-up in this example, you can see how everything is set up. But I know everyone will face this problem. Here I've got the archives, which are all the posts on this website. But this is so big that it is overflowing the pop-up and making the pop-ups call. It's a really bad user experience. And even here it is very visible that these have been split into separate lines. But they are not supposed to. How do we fix it? Let me show you. It's an easy trick here. So, let's get into Elementor. So what I'll do, I'll go in the custom CSS and say selector, and then we also have to say dot, which is the class selector, elementor sub-item. No spaces, dashes in the place of spaces. Now, set the width property to max content. So max content is here. Now, if we can see here, you can see they have adapted to the size of their things. So, then it is stretching up the container. Now, it looks much better on our site, right? What do you think? See? That is called a teeny-weeny solution to a use problem. And now you can see the before, and if I reload it, ta-da! See? Much better. And I hope this tiny-weeny solution helps you on your website. See you in the next video.
Right through life, every day is a new beginning. Shine your light. It's a day and the